beautiful long signal showed up today bright and early this morning, allowing us to nail the mother of all rallies today. All right, folks, let's get into it. Today is Friday, October 6th. What an incredible way to end the week. I warned you guys and gals that the month of October was going to be epic. Okay, my name is Mark at Dino Trading. Welcome to the channel. It is good to be with you. And by the time you're done watching this video, you are going to be convinced of the power of a trend trading system. Just like so many of my customers and clients are also convinced. Every single one of them crushed it today. Now, what you're seeing on the chart is today's live price action chart from today, Friday, October 6th. Of the NASDAQ. Yes, folks, this is the world's #1 most volatile and, in my opinion, profitable trading symbol. If you're not looking at the NASDAQ every single day, man, then something is wrong with you. Or maybe you might not be cut out for trading. This symbol is absolutely on fire. I simply cannot believe how this has been performing over the last couple of months. Many of my customers are absolutely stunned at how incredible this symbol is. And yep, you guessed it, this green and red color band that you see overlaid on top of the chart is our proprietary volume-based indicator profile. You guys and gals know that this indicator has one job and one job only, and that is to identify for you potential trend changes so that you can get the direction right. That's what this game of trading is about, folks. All right? Every day when you turn on your computer and you start looking for setups, you have to be confident that you got the direction right, okay? Because in my opinion, nothing else matters, right? If you can't get the direction right, then what good does it do you to try to trade and speculate in the market if you don't even have the fundamental direction that the market is going in, right? That's why this indicator is so valuable. All right, now let me get you guys dialed in here, okay? Let me get you guys really dialed in here. Here's what this indicator does. This is so simple, you could teach this to your 6-year-old, all right? Number one, this indicator will change colors, identifying you a trend change, okay? When this happens and when you see it happens, it tells you that the bias is now to the long side, right? Why long side? Well, I hope that's pretty obvious. It's because the colors has transitioned from red into green. Right? Green means long and strong. When you see it turn green, then what that means is it's time to start looking for long setups. But that's not where we enter the trade, right? We are looking for much better fills, and how we do that is, number one, we gotta wait to see if the move is real. What do I mean by that? Well, I want to see a nice quick uptrend get established very quickly, like within minutes of the trend changing. You understand? I want to see this beautiful uptrend, momentum established in the market, proving to me that the move is real. And then what's mission critical is we must see the market retrace and give us one of these. Okay? I mean, guys, it was too easy today. Like, all of the new customers that onboarded and got involved with this week, okay, you have got to be thanking God that you got involved in probably one of the best trading weeks of the year. I mean, this week was epic, folks. We saw 600, 700, 1,000 tick moves almost every single day this week. I mean, this was a day trader's dream, and if you're not excited and passionate about trading the market, then maybe you should do something else with your life. All right, because my goodness, what a pleasure and a joy it was to trade and make money this week. All right, anyway, so here's how the setup is played. Okay, we are looking for one of these setups, a green reversal bar that prints against the green volume color band, and it's got to be within the context of a retracement, meaning that the low of this green bar has got to be under the band. Make sense? This is not rocket science. This is not brain surgery. You do not need a degree in applied mathematics to look for this pattern. This is what I like to call stupid simple. And when I see this pattern show up, I look to open my long trade on the open of the next bar. My stop loss has to go 1 or 2 ticks or pips underneath the signal bar's low, right? So this spacing here between these two lines represents the risk on the trade. And my goodness, ladies and gentlemen, look at this long trade just surge for 1,000 ticks. All right, man. I mean, it was just like stunning today, right? And we got in all the way back here. Like, we basically squeezed every single tick of this astronomical monster rally today. All we did was take a retracement trade within the context of a trend change using nothing more than volume. All right, folks. I mean, it was too easy. Big congratulations, especially to all of my people who were brand new to this system. You could not have asked for a better week. I've warned you repeatedly that this month is going to be magnificent to day trade the market, and I'm willing to bet that we're going to see similar setups exactly like this in next week's trading session. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.